So in this video we will talk about our BrickMonitors, like what is a BrickMonitor and how can you use it to really make a lot of profit reselling sneakers, right? So when you're reselling bricks, you have basically one issue, and that is that you really need to look at a lot of shoes, like a lot of sneakers, to find maybe one or two profitable sneakers, right? So it's extremely time consuming. And to fix this problem, we made our BrickMonitors. And what they are doing is like they monitor a website 24/7, constantly looking at what shoes are available, what sizes are available, and what is the price we need to pay. Then it takes that information and in this case looks at alias, which is gold, and then uses that information to determine if we can actually buy the sneaker and sell it for a profit on alias, right? When the answer to this question is yes, it will post a message in one of the channels, right? So this is the channel for Nike Europe. So all of these links, these are profitable sneakers you can buy on the Nike Europe or the European website of Nike, right? So whenever a sneaker or a link is being posted, you will see the following information. One is like the store, then the style code, the purchase price, resale platform, brick score, sizes in stock, and the metrics. So the metrics, it's just an overview of what sizes are in stock, what sizes are profitable, and some more information. So let's go over that really quickly. Like SPM stands for sales per month, SRP stands for suggested resale price, GP stands for gross profit, GPM stands for gross profit margin, and BS stands for brick score. So you can see that for size 10, it will sell 6 times a month. Our algorithm determined that you can probably sell it for $229, which will make you a profit of $24, which is 14% on your purchase price. And the brick score is 5, right? So in this information, in these metrics, all alias fees are included, so that's a good thing to know as well. Like your fees already included, but these are like the basic fees, right? So some European countries have like a higher fees. You need to include this yourself, but it's not that big of a deal. So So the good thing about this is that it will only show the sizes in the metrics that are actually in stock. So you can actually buy them right away. So what you do is you just click this link and it will take you to the shoe, to the website. And there you can just buy add to bag and buy the shoe, right? So as you can see, size 10 is size 44. It will sell 6 times a month and will make us $24 profit. So pretty great. That's basically it. So you want to use the metrics and also the brick score to determine what shoe you're gonna buy or not. So basically the brick score is a number between 1 and 10, and the higher this number, the higher this score, the better the brick. Like, so the more profitable, like the faster selling, etc. So personally, I recommend you to start out with sneakers which have a brick score of at least 6, right? So because also it takes in consideration how many other undercutters there are on this moment on this shoe. So for example, the shoe is normally selling for $229, or you can sell it for $229. But if there are a lot of people listing their pairs below this price, the brick score will be lower because the current market situation is not that good, right? So basically, whenever post is here, you can have a look at it and determine if you want to buy the shoe, yes or no. So that's basically it for this video. We made it really simple, really foolproof. it will maybe take 1 or 2 days to get the hang of it, you know, to figure out, yeah, like your flow with the system. But it's really good, and it does all the work for you. And with the metrics, you will actually ensure that, or you will have the opportunity, let's say like that, to stop wasting your money on sneakers that are not selling, right? So the worst thing that can happen is that you spend a lot of money, couple $100 on a couple of pairs of Nikes, and then they're collecting dust for months, because then your money is tied up in these shoes, and you know, you can't reinvest it anymore. So using the metrics, you actually know how many times a month a shoe is selling, and yeah, therefore you can just, you know, estimate how long it will take for the shoe to sell. And if you only buy shoes that are selling a lot, you always have a quick turnaround, and you're able to reinvest your money again and again. And yeah, this is basically the secret of sneaker reselling, and the secret of making a lot of money as a sneaker reseller. So if you have a question, please make sure to open a member ticket, like a customer support ticket. And yeah, otherwise we will see you in the next video.